In today's video, I'm going to teach you where to add custom code on Squarespace. We'll walk through locating the right spot for your custom CSS, allowing you to tailor your site to fit your unique style and functionality needs. Understanding where and how to inject custom code can enhance your ability to modify your site's appearance or behavior beyond the standard templates, making your website truly yours. Let's get started by focusing on your main dashboard. Once you've logged into Squarespace, you will notice a familiar interface. Direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There, you will find a magnifying glass icon. It's conveniently located next to the notification icon, making it easy to spot. Go ahead and click on this magnifying glass. This action will open up the search functionality of Squarespace, a powerful little tool that allows you to navigate through the platform efficiently. With the search box open, type in Custom CSS. This search will direct you towards exactly where you need to make your initial code modifications. Once the search results appear, look for the option that says Custom CSS and click on it. Doing so will bring you to the CSS Code Editor interface. Welcome to your coding hub within Squarespace. This feature is where the magic happens, and you can start implementing your unique styles and visual tweaks by entering your custom CSS code. Now, for those of you who like to manage multiple tasks simultaneously, Squarespace offers a handy function. You've probably noticed a button labeled Open in New Window. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially if you want to keep coding while reviewing different sections of your site. By opening the CSS editor in a new window, you can move seamlessly between your changes and the rest of your site's management without constantly navigating back and forth. To summarize, finding the right spot to insert your custom code on Squarespace is straightforward once you know where to look. From the dashboard's search functionality to the dedicated custom CSS editor, the platform provides a clean and efficient way to enhance and customize your site's design. Armed with this knowledge, you're well on your way to making your Squarespace site both visually appealing and highly functional. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to start experimenting with custom styles on your Squarespace site. Feel free to comment down below if you have any questions or need further clarification on specific CSS features. Keep creating and stay inspired.